Hello everyone, welcome to my first I don't know what call it. My first Mesecon working. Alright, machine building. I will call it machine building. So basically in this video I will show you a way to do a flying machine Mesecon. So we have in mind this flying machine. We have in Mesecon flying machine, believe it or not. And yeah, so let's basically start with with a, with a with a simple one, which is will be with mover thing. Okay, where's the mover? No, not this one. This one. Okay. Um, yeah, let's make it so simple. So we have this kind of flying machine. Okay, which is basically I'm not used to this set. Maybe I need to change it. Okay, so basically what we will do is we will get um a sticky mover. This is sticky mover. Basically we wanted to move it to that way. Okay, fly to that way. So we will basically make like it's so simple. It's basically like maybe like this. Yeah, it's so simple. It's not so much complicated. You need some sticky blocks here and there, and yeah, make sure that everything stick together, and then put we don't have. So the miss block is not a source of power, but we have the not gate, which is perfect uh, source of power. And for some reason, when I power this and it's moved to this side, this block will disappear. So when you want to do more complicated machine, keep in mind that. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, bye bye. But what's the meaning of making flying machine without make it piston flying machine? I mean, yeah, we don't have observer. I mean, maybe in another mode, but it's not in Mesecon. But we can do it with piston, believe it or not. But it's a little bit tricky, to be honest. So, let's say this is our pushing piston. So, we will do it like the bedrock way, you know? This is a pushing piston. And interestingly enough, in Mesecon you can't make flying machines by pulling piston as well. There is a problem, by the way, with the pistons in Mesecon, or the mechanic is different. So basically, if I do we have a lever here? Yeah. Let's say uh, we have. You know what? I will start over. Let's say this not get it's pushed to this one. So in Minecraft, I remember this one can't be pushed. Guess what? Actually, it it can't be pushed actually. And yes, basically we can make it can make trouble, so both of them pushing each other. So we need to be more careful of doing such things. So yeah, let's put this piston, another sticky piston, typical sticky block. So that's the equivalent of slime block, but it has a differ from the slime block that you don't need to push it itself. I mean, if this piston pushes this one, the sticky block will stay in it. So that's a more advantage. So up, yep. So basically, this one need to get a loop because this is the easiest way. So you let me introduce you to the FPGA gate. This gate is basically when you want to make code but without code. And by the way, it's always, where's the east? Where's the east? Ah, so always C to the east, B to the north, always. Even if I put it like this way, it's the same. Like this way, like this way. Always C to the east. Anyway, that's not the object here. The object here is, first of all, let's keep this gate unbricked. And let's make the functions, if you may say. So we have C and A. That's what we want to focus on. So if C or not A, not X not or not. There is no signal in A and C, then it will be, we said, D, yep, and F, we can say F, C, or A, it will be the other one, B. Program this. Cool. Now we have Mesecon. Mesecon line. We can't just put it like this. We need a delay, otherwise it will short overload and break the circuit. Short the circuit. Sure. Okay. So from this area it's easier. So basically we can say it's a kind of a nice and fun, but I want to make it even more fun. So let's put here, I can put here a railroad and make this one as a bottom and stick it to this one. But if as a flying machine, it's worked fine. It's worked fine. So yeah, it is worked fine. But we don't stop here. There's another kind of piston flying machine. By the way, I tried to make the caterpillar flying machine, but it doesn't work in Mesecon. But let's say we have another kind of flying machine. I call it ghost flying machine, because basically it doesn't move the entity. So this one, for example, if I set, let's say, this area, let's say, come on, it's somehow carrying me around. But this one is a ghost flying machine. If it's entity, it will not register. You know what? I will get a torch, because I'm interested to see if the torch will be ghosted up with it or not. So I don't want to make the gate again. So I don't want to use the gate again. I will use only a leader or something, or even not gate. I don't need a leader. I'll just take the not gate on and off. So basically, let's say this one. Okay, we have one sticky, one dirt, and another sticky, and this is sticky one. Come on, I need to change the setting for this. Let's say we get sticky piston here. So that's where it's fun, because somehow when you pull this one, it will register this one sticky, will stick with this block, and it will drag with it. So, and this one will be dragged because of this. This one stick to this, so it will push this, and this one stick to this. So somehow the piston will drag himself like this. Okay, so if we make like a loop thing, it will be stick like this. So if there is entity, it will stay around. Like railroad, let's say, rail, like a railroad. With the flying machine, it's common thing to use to set a cart here, but with this kind of cursed flying machine, ghost flying machine, it will stay. So let's say if it's a torch. I love to have ghost torch. You know, this is one of the things I like about the tubular. I can make ghost torch. So let's see. Oh, it is ghost torch. Let's see. Ah, it's a stick. Okay, it's a stick here, sir. Is it stick here, there? Ah, it's a brick. It's not. It doesn't ghost it. It's a brick. Okay. And actually, this one also stick. So this is a new thing that I know. But if this one has a cart, let's say, I'm defending myself here, okay? If this railroad has cart on it, not carty, cart, only cart, it will, the cart will stick? I don't think so, actually. The cart will fly in the air. Yeah, the cart will fly in the air. So we can't get a cursed torch, but we can get a cursed cart. That's interesting. Anyway, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please leave a like and write a comment about stuff that you want me to do in Minecraft, especially Mesecon. I mean, Mesecon has the potential for it. Okay, Mesecon has the potential to do a better than this, and I hope that I will have a chance to give you more stuff for Mesecon. So see you later. Until then, bye.